A single blade can change your whole shave, and the choice matters more than most people think. In this video, I'm breaking down the best straight razors and what sets each one apart. These picks cover different price ranges, and each option fits a different kind of shave and skill level. So it makes sense to watch through and see which one lines up with your needs. You'll find links to every razor down in the description. If this helps, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Drop any questions in the comment section. Now let's get into the reviews and take a closer look at what each razor brings to the table. Number 6. Utopia Care Professional Straight Razor. Coming in at number 6, this option is all about value and control. It's the kind of straight razor that makes traditional shaving feel less intimidating without losing that classic edge. This one stands out as a smart pick for anyone watching their budget but still wanting a metal build that feels serious in the hand. The body uses stainless steel with brass and metal parts, and the matte black finish gives it a clean, no-nonsense look. It stays comfortable to hold, and the curved shape with a rounded finger rest helps keep your grip steady during longer sessions. The blade setup uses single-edge replaceable blades, and a pack of 100 is included, which really helps with long-term savings. Blade changes are quick and cleanup stays simple, so upkeep never feels like work. The flip-style blade cover and locking cap add an extra sense of control, which can matter a lot for beginners learning angle and pressure. That 30-degree design is meant to guide each stroke, and many people point out smooth results with less irritation. One thing worth mentioning is the included blades. Some may feel they dull faster or nick more easily, and switching brands can improve consistency. It comes in black, red, or silver and fits easily into a regular routine. Number 5. Facon Straight Razor Kit. Sitting at number 5, this kit leans into balance and precision more than anything flashy. It feels aimed at people who want control and consistency, even if that means slowing down at first. I like how the weight is handled here. It's heavier than aluminum options, which can help the razor feel more stable during each pass. The handle shape supports a steady grip, and the adjustable screw lets you tune how tight the blade sits, which can make a big difference once technique starts to click. The stainless steel build resists rust, and the extra coating helps it stay clean between shaves. A big draw is what comes in the box. You get 100 individually wrapped platinum blades, which can stretch into years of use. Blade swaps are simple and cleanup stays easy, so daily care doesn't turn into a project. The blades are extremely sharp, and that sharpness is part of the appeal for clean lines and close results. That said, this isn't forgiving. Early cuts are something some people mention, and patience matters here. This works best for beard lines, mustache detail, or full shaves once confidence builds. There are tons of style options, from classic looks to bold colors, so picking one that fits your vibe is easy long-term. Number 4. Parker SRX Straight Razor. At number 4, this one leans hard into weight and control, and that changes the whole feel of a shave. It's clearly aimed at people who want something that feels close to what barbers reach for every day. I like how the all-metal build sets it apart. There's no plastic here, just stainless steel from handle to blade arm, and that extra heft helps it stay steady in motion. The balance feels intentional, and the grip stays predictable during detail work like lineups or beard edges. It uses a clip-style blade holder that locks the blade in place, and it can take standard barbershop single-edge blades or half of a double-edge blade, which gives you flexibility long-term. Blade swaps are quick once you know the motion, though the clip can feel stiff at first. A little patience goes a long way during changes. The included blades get mixed reactions, and many people end up swapping brands for a feel that suits them better. This one does ask for respect. Beginners often mention a learning curve, with small nicks early on, then cleaner results as technique improves. There's no full heel on the blade, so reach is slightly shorter, which some like for precision. It comes in one metallic finish and sits in the lower mid-range, making it a strong step-up choice for serious shavers. Number 3. Parker Director Chrome Straight Barber Razor. Taking the number 3 spot, this one feels very different from the folding styles earlier on the list. The shape alone changes how you approach each stroke, and that's something experienced hands usually appreciate. This uses a non-folding, Japanese-style layout that keeps the blade angle consistent from start to finish. The stainless steel arm brings durability, and the chrome finish gives it that clean, professional look. The handle is plastic, yet the textured surface helps keep your grip steady, even with wet hands. The weight sits in a comfortable middle ground, so it feels controlled without wearing you down. It runs on half of a standard double-edged blade, snapped in half, and blade swaps stay quick. There's no sharpening or honing involved, which keeps upkeep simple. The blade exposure is slightly rounded, offering a bit more forgiveness than sharper corners. A protective cap is included for safer storage and transport. This one works best for edging, lineups, and detailed work. The longer handle helps barbers working on others, though it can feel awkward for close self-shaving until technique improves. Beginners may struggle early, and blade alignment needs attention. It's available in black or chrome and sits in the lower mid-range, aimed at confident users who want control and clean lines. Number 2, Feather Black SS. Holding the number 2 spot, this one feels very modern the moment you look at it. The shape, the materials, and the balance all point to precision and control rather than tradition. I like how lightweight it is, especially compared to heavier metal options earlier on this list. That lighter feel makes it easier to guide, even during longer sessions. The handle uses a rubberized silicone material, and it grips well, wet or dry, which helps a lot with steady strokes. Heat resistance is built in too, so cleaning with hot water isn't a concern. This follows a non-folding, Japanese-style layout, and the rounded head softens the blade exposure more than you might expect. Blade changes use a one-touch system that keeps fingers away from the edge, and the razor can be taken apart for deep cleaning. It's made with hygiene in mind, which is why it shows up so often in professional settings. It does run on a specific blade system, and blades are not included, so that's something to plan for. The sharpness is no joke, yet many people say it feels forgiving once technique is dialed in. Beginners often find this easier to control than classic folding designs. This comes only in black and sits in the mid-range. It's a strong pick for confident users who want clean lines without extra weight slowing them down. Number 1, Feather DX. Taking the top spot, this one feels like the benchmark everything else gets compared to. From the first glance, it's clear this is aimed at people who take straight shaving very seriously. What stands out is how close it feels to a traditional straight razor, even though it uses replaceable blades. The weight stays light, yet it carries itself with purpose, and the balance feels intentional from end to end. The stainless steel body pairs with a resin-coated wood handle that stays grippy and controlled, even with moisture involved. The folding design adds an extra layer of safety and makes storage easier between shaves. Blade changes use a one-touch system that keeps fingers away from the edge, and the razor can be taken apart fully for cleaning. Hygiene plays a big role here, which explains why this shows up so often in professional shops. It runs on Artist Club blades, and there are different blade types depending on how cautious or confident someone feels. Many people suggest starting with guarded blades before moving up. This razor demands respect. Pressure needs to stay close to zero, and angle control matters every second. Cuts can happen fast if technique slips. Blades are sold separately, and the cost sits in the premium range, though long blade life helps balance that out. It comes in a brown and silver finish and suits experienced users who want maximum precision without compromise. That's it for today. Feel free to check out other videos here if you want more guides like this. Thanks for hanging out with me.